Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to use the Reassign Stock Items window in AAAPOS RetailManager. This feature lets you quickly reassign your existing stock to new departments and categories, helping you organize your inventory efficiently after upgrading to the latest version. In older versions of RetailManager, stock items were organized by category and subcategory. In this version, each item can now belong to a department and up to 3 categories. When you upgraded, all stock items were automatically placed in a department called Default, while their previous categories were retained. To begin, go to the Stock Management menu and select Reassign Stock Items. The Reassign Stock Items window appears. First, select Default from the Department drop-down list. Then, choose which categories you want to work with. For example, if you want to reassign all travel books about Asia, select Travel under Category 1 and Asia under Category 2. To view all items, select All from the category lists. Click Load. The stock items that match your selections now appear in the list. To reassign a single item, click the option next to that item in the Select column. Then, click directly in the department or category field and choose the new values. Once you've updated the details, press F10 or click Commit to save your changes. To reassign several items at once, select all the items you want by clicking the checkboxes in the Select column. Then click Reassign Department and Categories. The Select to Reassign window appears. From here, choose the new department and categories you want to apply to all selected items. You can also create a new category on the spot by selecting Add New from the list. Click OK to confirm. The selected items are now reassigned to the new department and categories. When you've finished reassigning all the items, click Commit or press F10 on your keyboard to save the changes. Any stock items you didn't reassign will remain under the default department. Let's recap what we've learned. You can reassign stock from the default department to new ones. Each item can have up to 3 category levels. Use Reassign Department and Categories for quick bulk updates. Always click Commit to save your changes. By keeping your stock properly assigned to departments and categories, you'll make it easier to search, report, and manage your inventory in RetailManager. Thanks for watching this AAAPOS RetailManager tutorial. For more training videos and support, visit AAAPOS.com.